Hi, my name is Michael O'Callaghan. I studied here at NPTC group of colleges, and I studied the HND and the degree in computing. At the college we studied a wide variety of different areas of computing and information technology, from web development, software development, data analysis and big data here. Because of the skills I picked up in other areas of the college, I ended up going into a data analysis and data development role, which is what I'm doing now. So currently I work for a company called Rise Insulation Limited, and they're a global leader in passive fire security for high-rise buildings. A lot of the work that I do now, I got my foundations here at the course. Some of the SQL skills I picked up, some of the data analysis and some of the big data skills that I picked up here, I used and moved into my new position. And since then I've had 2 promotions purely because of the work and the experience that we did here. So I had a really good experience here at the college. I started up with very little experience, and by the time I finished my HND and the degree, I come away with a wealth of industry experience that has carried on to my career now. The lecturers were amazing. I think one of the main reasons I completed the course to such a high standard was because of the lecturers and the intricate work and the dedication they put into me and my studies here. If I needed help with anything, I could drop them an email, I could drop them a message, and they're always willing to help and allow me, especially as an adult learner when you haven't been in school for 15 years. You know, it's a bit of a shock to the system. You know, that first assignment's really, really difficult. You're not sure what you should be doing, and they were there to guide me through every step of the stage. So yeah, they're really, really good. The possibilities are endless. The computing and ICT market for employment at the moment is absolutely massive. There's a massive shortage of people in the STEM industries, and especially in computing. So I mean, without the college, I wouldn't have been able to get where I am. I'd highly recommend NPTC group of colleges for ICT and computing. The tools and the skills you will learn here will give you a solid grounding for any future career. The lecturers are really helpful. The college as a whole is a really welcoming environment and will allow you to gain a long-term career in the future, especially in the technology industry.